Hi, I'm Elena Mangum, the Literacy and Learning Specialist at the Center for Development and Learning. Today's mini literacy lesson is Sounds of the Letter C. So, who are we at the Center for Development and Learning? We're a premier Louisiana thought leader with over 25 years of experience, backed in the science of reading. Our mission is to improve the life chances of all children, especially those at high risk, by increasing school success. Our purpose is to achieve equity in education and close the opportunity gap for high risk youth. And we believe that children, regardless of how they look, where they come from, how they learn, can and will achieve school success when provided with highly effective teachers and positive supporting learning environments. So let's get started into our lesson. So the letter C can make two different sounds. The first sound we're going to talk about is when the letter C makes the hard sound. And here's a little rhyme to kind of help you remember. Hey there, A-O-U. When you see the letter C, what will you do? When the letter A, O, or U follows the letter C, the C will make the hard sound. So let's check out our first example. I see the letter C. It's followed by the letter A. So I know that letter C is going to make the hard sound. Cake. I see the letter C. It's followed by the letter O. So I know that letter C is going to make the hard sound. Corn. And our last example is cup. The letter C can also make a soft sound. Hi there, I-N-E. How do you say the letter C? So if you see the letter C comes before an I or an E, it's going to make the soft sound. And the soft C says S. What other letter makes that sound? S. That's right. The letter S. It sounds the same. S. So let's pay attention and let's look. If we hear that sound, it comes before the I or an E, we can write the letter C, and we know that's a soft C sound. Cell phone. Okay, I see the letter C in the middle of the word. But there's an I and an E after, so I know that C is going to make the soft C sound. Look at this last example. The letter C can come at the end of a word also. Is there an I or an E that follows that letter C? Yes. So if an I or an E follows that letter C, it's going to make the soft sound. Pencil. Let's look at our examples again. Cell phone, ice, pencil. Let's practice singing our sounds of the letter C song again. Hey there, A-O-U. When you see the letter C, what will you do? So remember, if the letter C comes before an A, an O, or a U, it's going to make the hard C sound, the K sound. Hi there, I and E. How do you say the letter C? If you have a letter C and then an I or an E comes after, that letter C is going to make the soft sound. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today on the sounds of the letter C. Let's stay connected. Email me with any questions or topics you would like to learn more about. Elena@cdl.org. Remember to like and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter.